items 3D printers have upgrade. If you received a new 3D printers, then you are in the right place. In this video, you are going to review top 5 best 3D printers in 2023 on the market. All this or see 3D printers open selected best one personal location. The you reading reviews and orders. Okay.
Number 5.
FDM Series ANYCUBIC 3D Printer Viper Cobra Cobra Max Cobra Go Cobra Neo Cobra 2 Pro Large Size Auto Leveling 3D Printers. AATTING 4.6 57 reviews. Y265 sold. Bed access. Single threaded rod. Filament runout detection. Optional. Leveling method. ANYCUBIC Levic 25-point precise leveling. Extruder. Separated drive. Modular design: 5 modules, easy to use and fast to get started. Printing platform. Pearl coated metal sheet bar 8.7 x 8.
Number 4.
KINGROON KP3s Pro / KP3s / KP3s Pro S1 3D printer with Resin Printing 200 *200 200mm Titan extruder professional FDM printer. Rating 4.8, 101 reviews. Y355 sold. Product parameters. Model number KP3s Pro. Build size 200 *200 200mm. Technology FDM. Nozzle quantity 1. Nozzle diameter 0.4 mm. Print resolution 0.05.
Number 3.
ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X6K SLCD 3D. Printer 9.16K large screen 3D. Printing 4.76L build volume UV resin SLA 3D printers. Rating 4.764 reviews. Y480 sold. Upgraded light source, stable dual linear rail. The upgraded ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix light source and high-precision textured optical lens provide a stable and even parallel light source, effectively removing optical layers and grid lines and creating a smooth and delicate model surface.
Number 2.
ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure 2.0 for Mars Photon Mono LCD SLA DLP 3D printer models. UV rotary curing resin cleaning machine 2-in-1. Rating 4.979 reviews. Y500 plus sold. First, you need a digital 3D model of the object you want to create. This can be designed using 3D modeling software or obtained from online repositories. Slicing. The 3D model is sliced into thin, horizontal layers using specialized software. This slicing process generates a set of instructions, G-code.
Number 1.
ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure 2.0 for Mars Photon Mono LCD SLA DLP 3D printer models. UV rotary curing resin cleaning machine 2-in-1. Rating 4.7 207 reviews. Y1000 plus sold. KINGROON 3D printer KP3's direct drive extruder. Dual cooling quiet fans, double metal guide rails, 180 * 180 * 180mm touch LCD screen. Product parameters. Model number KP3s. Build size 180 * 180 * 180mm. Technology FDM. Nozzle quantity 1. Nozzle diameter 0.4 mm. Print resolution 0.